Dear children, today we will be learning about a new chapter which is called Be My Multiple, I Will Be Your Factor. This is the 6th chapter in our NCERT textbook for grade 5. In this chapter, we'll understand what is a multiple, what is a factor, and how do we find multiples and factor to different activities. To begin with, the first activity is the mouse and the cat. The hungry cat is trying to catch Kunjan the mouse. Kunjan is now on the 14th step and it can jump 2 steps at a time. The cat is on the 3rd step. She can jump 3 steps at a time. If the mouse reaches 28, it can hide in the hole. Now we have to find out whether the mouse can get away safely. So here the numbers are given in Urdu. Let us first write in English for our understanding. The numbers are from 1 up till 29. So here is the hole. When the mouse reaches on 28, it can get safer. So we'll have to check, okay, if the cat is on the number 3, the 3rd step, and the mouse is at the 14th step, and each step they can jump 2 steps together and 3 steps together, whether the mouse can reach before the cat catches it. So let's check. So first, the mouse is on the 14th step and it can jump 2 steps at a time. Beginning with the 14th step, we'll have to jump 2 steps at a time. 14th to 16th, 16th to 18th, 18th to 20th, 20th to 22nd, 22nd to 24th, 24th till 26th, 26th to 28th. So together the mouse has jumped 7 times. So 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26 and 28. Now let's see if the cat is on the 3rd step and it can jump 3 steps together at once, whether it can catch the mouse before it reaches the hole which is on 28th. So let's check that. So it jumps from the 3rd till the 6th step, 6th to 9th, 9th to 12th, from the 12th step to 15th, the 15th step to the 18th, from the 18th to 21st, from the 21st step to 24th, and from 24th to 27th. Now let's check the steps on which the mouse jumps. The mouse was on the 14th step and it could jump 2 steps at a time. So 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28. Similarly, the cat jumps on 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24 and 27. So they were on 14 and 3 on the first. After first jump, they came to 16th and 6, 18 and 9, 20th and 12th, 22nd and 15th, 24th and 18th, 26th and 21st, 28th and 24. So there was no chance for the cat to catch the mouse, right? Also we can notice they both have jumped on one common step, which is 24. So the step on which both the cat and the mouse jumped was 24. The answer for the question C. And the last question, can the mouse get away? Yes, the mouse can get away because the cat couldn't catch the mouse and the mouse was safe and it reached on the step 28. The next question to find out here is, if the cat starts from the 5th step and jumps 5 steps at a time, and the mouse starts from the 8th step and jumps 4 steps at a time, can the mouse get away? So, the cat starts from 5th step and jumps 5 steps at a time, that is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and so on. And the mouse starts at 8 and jumps 4 steps together. So 8, 12, 16, 20 and 24. So we can notice that on the first they were on the step 5th and 8th, 10th and 12th, 15th and 16th, and on the third jump, after the third jump, they both came to the 20th step. That means the mouse cannot get away. The cat could catch the mouse easily because they were on the same step. So the answer is no, the mouse cannot get away. Now the next activity is, who is Montu waiting for? Montu is a cat here, right? So Montu cat is waiting for somebody. Do you know for whom he is waiting? There is a trick to find out. And what is the trick? Let's check the instructions given below. The instructions are, mark with a red dot all the numbers which can be divided by 2. Mark a yellow dot on the numbers which can be divided by 3 and a blue dot on the numbers which can be divided by 4. So all the numbers dividing with 2, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58 and 60. Now the numbers which are divided by 3 we have to mark with a yellow dot, and similarly blue dot for the numbers dividing by 4. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48, 51, 54, 57, 60. And at last 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48, 52, 56 and at last 60. So we are done. Now what's the next instruction? Which are the boxes which have dots of all 3 colors? Let's find out. We have all the 3 dots on 12, 24, 36, 48 and 60. And what are the letters on top of those boxes? 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, which is M-O-U-S-E. Write the letters below in order. So Montu cat is waiting for somebody who is the mouse. So the cat is waiting for mouse. That was fun. Now let's check the next game, meow game. To play this game, everyone stands in a circle. One player calls out 1, the next player says 2 and so on. A player who has to call out 3 or the number which can be divided by 3 has to say meow instead of the number. One who forgets to say meow is out of the game. So the last player left is the winner. Which numbers did you replace with the word meow? So The numbers are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 and 24, so on. We say these numbers are multiples of 3. Like 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 4 is 12, 3 times 5 is 15, 3 times 6 is 18, 3 times 7 is 21, 3 times 8 is 24, and so on. Play the game by changing the numbers to 4. Now, each one will count from 1. The members of the team who gets 4 and the multiples of 4 will say meow instead of the number. 1, 2, 3, meow. 5, 6, 7, meow. 9, 10, 11, meow. 13, 14, 15, meow. 17, 18, 19, meow. 21, 22, 23, meow. 25, 26, 27, meow, and so on. These numbers are the multiples of 4. Now write any 10 multiples of 5. Those are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. We can write any multiples of 5. So we have written the first 10 multiples, which is easy for us to write. So through these activities, we understood what is a multiple. So far we have understood the multiples of 3, 4, 5 and so on. Similarly, we can understand when do we use or need multiples in real life. Like for example, instead of counting each flower, we can use multiples to count groups of 3 and 2. Now in the first row there are 5 groups of 3, so 3 times 5 is 15, and there are 8 groups of 2, so 2 times 8 is 16. Knowing multiples makes it easier to solve multiplication and division problems. Like 4 times 6 is how much? So by listing the multiples of 4, we can say that 4 times 6 is 24. Similarly, we can find out 45 divided by 5 using the multiples of 5. So how many multiples to get to 45? So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 and 45. So 45 divided by 5 is equal to 9. Now that we have understood what the multiples are, we can now write the first 5 multiples of the below numbers. Once you finish writing this, you can take your own numbers and try writing any multiples of your choice. In the next class, we will learn all about factors. Till then, keep learning.